Hey, how's it going, everyone? Welcome back to PitaChew. So today was I had this request, I think going on 3 to 4 days ago. This is from one of my viewers. Her name, I don't know if it's a her or a him. Net M, or is it Nettie? Nete M. This person requested to do a nature's cereal. It's a trend. I think it's on TikTok, but I did some YouTube search, and it's basically fresh fruits. Instead of milk, you put in coconut water. So it's nature's cereal. So here we go. So check these out, you guys. I mean, I had a lot of berries in my fridge, and I was just putting it together, and I was like, this is a lot of fruits. I don't know how I'm going to consume all of this, but we'll give it a shot. We have some raspberry. We have some yellow dragon fruit, blackberries, pineapple, blueberries, watermelon. What is this? Pomegranate. Oh yeah. Check that out. Oh yeah. Okay. Blueberries. Whew. Yeah, I think that's just a little bit too much. Pomegranate, just about like that. I want to be able to finish this, all right? Pineapple. Okay. Watermelon. I'll do the whole thing. I love watermelon. Raspberries. We'll just do that much. I love yellow dragon. In you go. Blackberries. See, look at that. That's a lot already. We're gonna do like that because I can always add more. All right, so you guys, let me move these out of the way. Are these cool fun bowls? Got these from Costco. You know what? Let's just move it all off the table. You guys are taking my space. Too much space, y'all. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. There we go. Ooh, yeah. Oh. Coconut milk. Coconut water. Pretty sure it's going to be tasty. It's just the fact of looking at clear liquid instead of creamy liquid. Let's begin. Okay. Okay. Here, you go first. Pretty sure it's delicious. Okay, get it together. We have a lot of texture going on. I was gonna say, I knew it was gonna be that bad. Almost choked there. I wanted to do it with coconut milk. I mean, cream. You know, the whipped cream and stuff. But I was like, no, let's just stick to the plan and do coconut water. Oh, so good. You guys, the yellow dragon fruits, it's really sweet compared to the pink dragon fruit. Why not? Why not? Use all of it. I didn't know I was gonna be this hungry. You guys, that is all the fruits. Boom. Boom. Pow. Look at that color. Ugh. It's a lot of liquid. I think I can finish it. The watermelon's not that sweet. Ugh. They're sour. All right. All I got left is the juice. We have a floaty in here. It's from the blueberry. Okay. Boom. We have done. We have had our breakfast. It's actually dinner time. So I am stuffed. I don't think I can have dinner. This is it. This is my dinner. Whew. Right, you guys. That is it. I want to thank you so much for having brunch with me. Don't forget, give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. Click on the bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. Until next time, I'll see you guys soon, okay? What's today? I don't know. See you soon. Ofatu. You can go. Oh my goodness. All right, you guys. I'll see you on the next one.